Shari here. I'm going to quickly show you how to take photos of moving subjects with your phone. So first of all, we're going to open up the camera. We're going to tap and hold until we have the AEAF lock. And you can see the birds flying around. As soon as they pass through my focal point there, I'm going to snap and I'm going to hold down my shutter to access burst mode. You should have this on iOS and Android phones. Now to access your burst mode images, you're going to pull up your camera roll, click on the photo, and you'll select the images you want to keep by tapping on the image as you scroll through. And then you're going to click done on the top right hand corner. You're going to keep the favorites and automatically delete the rest.